Here's a quick demo of a simple substitution cipher tool, monoalphabetic substitution. So this is from simonsing.net. Simon Singh wrote a great book called The Code Book that I highly recommend about encryption in general, especially the history of encryption. And so we've got a plain text, a message we'd like to encrypt, and then we're going to create the ciphertext, which is the encrypted message. And what we're going to do is for each letter of the plain text, we're going to substitute that with a ciphertext letter, and then that's going to translate the plain text and the ciphertext. So it's a nice tool. All you have to do is put this in, and then do encipher plain text, and we'll be good. So I'll put in, not trying to be particularly creative, I'm going to put in N-O-P, and you can tab between. So I'm tabbing. You don't have to click each time. So this is a very simple, popular kind of encryption. It goes by the name of ROT13 because if you put the alphabet on a wheel, and it's smart enough so that if you already have K somewhere, it won't let you to do K anywhere else, because you can't have the same plain text go to the different ciphertext or vice versa, or else you're not going to have a real translation. Anyway, this is called ROT13, or rotate by 13, because if you put the alphabet on a wheel and rotate it by 13 places, this is exactly what you're going to get. This is not highly secure because it's very common. People will guess this very, very quickly if they're used to, especially if they're used to computers. Now we just click encipher plain text, and we're good. Notice I had a special character. Oh, and this, of course, is an extremely important message that you'd want to send to your confederate and not have it be interrupted, not intercepted. So I left-clicked the keep spaces between words. Often when you encrypt things like this, you actually take out the spaces because it makes it harder to decrypt. But I'm going to leave them in because I don't particularly want this to be too hard to decrypt when we go to decryption. And there's also a special character here. The apostrophe didn't get translated at all. So that's the kind of thing that you might take out if you were really trying to be a little more secret. So you put in whatever ciphertext you want. If you put one in and you want to change it, you just go to clear cipher alphabet, and then you can get your ciphertext. And then you can cut and paste that into whatever you want to send it to.